Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get and install mods on your Minecraft Pocket Edition on your mobile. Make sure to watch the video till the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. This method works for both Android and iOS. Now first of all, we're going to make sure that we have all the files we need. Both Minecraft, which is updated to the latest form after you purchased it, and this app right here called File Manager. You can find it by going to the Play Store and searching for File Manager Plus. This is a totally free and open source for File Manager that you can just have it, and this will check all your files on your phone once you give it request and click on allow access right there, and then you can allow for notifications, and then once you have done it, then you can see all your files right here. Now once you have it, make sure that you exit. Then we're going to go to our browser. From here we're going to search for a website called mcpecentral.com. Once we search for this website right here, is going to send us to this page. And so there's going to be a bunch of ads, try to avoid them. And so you're going to focus on this area right here for the 3 dashes, click it. And once you scroll down, you can see mods right there. Click on it right here, and it's going to pop up another ad, so just simply click on close on the top right. Now as you can see, there are plenty of modes to choose from, and there's going to be long lists, and each one having even more lists to choose from, so you have a lot of choices to go through. So as you can see, if I'm going to scroll down, for example, I would like to choose the Fresh Animation Minecraft Bedrock. Click on it right here, and then from here, once you scroll down and avoid the ads, then it's going to just tell you about the mod, how it works, and how to download it. And so from here, just going to scroll down all the way until you see the button that says download right here and click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to show you to this website right here. And all you have to do is again, scroll down all the way until you see a button that says download, or simply at the start of the page, you can click on skip to downloads. And so right here, it's showing you all the Minecraft versions it supports. And all you have to do is to click on this file right here. Make sure that you are not a robot, and then give it some time. It will ask you to please wait, maybe play an ad, and then once it finishes the load, just simply click on get downloads. And from here it's going to tell you that the files that are ready are this one. And so from here, click on it again, and now it's going to download the actual file. Give it some time, even if it's small, maybe it will take a minute or two, but as you can see, file downloaded. Exit, go back to the file manager. Then from here, go to downloads, and then you're going to look for the file that we have just downloaded. And once you find it right here, as you can see, the mp8.mcpack, click on it. And then from here, you're going to make sure to edit it, click more, and then from here, going to rename. Now make sure that is written mcpack, and that's it. Some mods will have mcpack.zip, but we don't want that. We want to make sure that it ends with just mcpack, and then make sure it's okay. Once you have that done, click on it, and then finally open with Minecraft. Now that we are in Minecraft, so it's going to load, and it's going to open the game for us. Once it loads, all we have to do is to adjust the settings. And now we're in Minecraft. So it has installed successfully. All you have to do is to click on play, and you're going to generate a brand new world. So click on create new world, and then from here, you're going to just create new world again. And then you can choose either creative or survival, whatever you want. And then from here, you're going to now scroll down to edit a few settings. So as you can see, experiment is the first one we're going to click. And from here, we're going to turn on every single one of these options, because this will make the mod run more smoothly and better on our mod. Now from here, you're going to go to the behavior packs. And if it's not in the behavior packs, then you can find it in the resource packs. And as you can see, from the available and the active ones, from the old ones, you can have it and find it right here. And all you have to do is to click on activate. Once you have activate, you're going to click on active, and it's going to be right here. So if you don't find it in the behavior, you're going to find it in the resource, and then vice versa. And once that is done and you have it activated, then that is pretty much it. Then you can just click on general, and then create world, and then create anyways. And once you have it done, you're going to select. And once the world is generated, you will have that mode installed successfully, and you can enjoy the game with it. And as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.